Guys, good morning and rather good afternoon, and I hope you're all doing well right now. Today in our new blog tutorial, I will going to explain to you a new app that I discovered lately nga medyo gamit siya when it comes to online meeting and online uh, gatherings. So I'm proposing guys na you will try this application. So you will install this app in the Play Store. So ang iyang pangalan guys is Google Meet. And also if you're using laptop, you can also install this Google Meet into your system. And then since we are using phone, so that's the easiest way to upload or download this or install this application. And then once na install na ninyo guys, and then if you want to schedule a meeting with your friends, relatives, or church members or pastors, so make sure guys na meron din silang Google Meet. So it is why I like this application, because sobrang gaan niya, madali siyang i-use, or ang user friendly talaga siya compare sa ibang apps like Messenger or like yung Zoom at Skype. So actually mas gaan siya gamitin. And then lately marami na yung people na nakakapansin na maganda siyang app. So i-share ko sa inyo guys paano to gamitin, and then makita nyo na mayroong dalawang button here. Meron siyang video and microphone, which anytime pwede mo siya ma-turn and off. So ganyan siya kabilis, ganyan siya kadali and convenient gamitin. So every time may new meeting kayo guys, pwede nyong gamitin yung mga codes dito, kasi na-try ko na to. And then parang the next day mawala din siya yung mga codes na nakita nyo, yung mayroong present and rejoin. So maka-create kayo guys, then ito yung link na isi-send nyo. Okay, for example, mag-click ako ng new meeting. So yun yung guys, yung link na yun yung i-share nyo. Pag napansin nyo, meron siyang share button. Yun yung share button na i-share nyo sa mga nakaschedule nyo na i-meet. For example, yung family or relatives nyo, or someone, your friend or church members. So dali siyang gamitin guys. And then once ma-click na nila yung button na yon or yung link, automatically connected sila dito. And then yung nag-create ng meeting na to, so ikaw din yung mayroong access na i-grant na mag-join sila sa meeting nyo. So that's it guys. I hope na may na-learn kayo sa new application na to, which is we called Google Meet. And actually marami pa siyang mga settings dito na hindi ko pa na-explain, no? Actually ganyan lang talaga yung mga button niya. Sobrang simple lang siya. Sobrang simple niya at madali siyang gamitin. So ang isa pang nagustuhan ko dito guys, na-search ko siya pero hindi ko pa na-try. It can accommodate up to 100 participants. So marami na yung 100 participants. And then if mag-join kayo, I suggest na mag-mute para hindi naman lahat magkasabayan. So for example, mayroong mga for example church meeting or church Bible study. So recommended talaga siya. Or online tutorials. So maganda din siyang gamitin. And also group meetings. So ganyan siya sa ka-convenient guys na gamitin yung Google Meet. So I hope i-try nyo din. And sana ma-appreciate nyo yung technology or application na to. So that's all for today guys. I hope you're all doing well and God bless you all.